President of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev is scheduled to arrive in Islamabad for a two-day official visit to Pakistan. The two sides will engage in wide-ranging discussions on areas of mutual interest to further strengthen bilateral cooperation, according to a Foreign Office press release. Earlier, Pakistan signed largest export deal with Azerbaijan for JF-17C Block 3 fighter jets, including training and ammunition. The sale of JF-17 Block 3 fighter aircraft to Azerbaijan, a move that not only promises to bolster Azerbaijan's military capabilities but also catapults Pakistan into the limelight as a key player in the global defense industry. JF-17 Block 3 variant that truly sets the bar higher, equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, enhanced firepower, and superior combat capabilities, the JF-17 Block 3 variant emerges as a formidable contender in the skies. For Azerbaijan, this acquisition signifies a quantum leap in defense, positioning it as a formidable force in the region. This monumental deal does more than just exchange military hardware for currency, it weaves a stronger bond between Pakistan and Azerbaijan, laying down a foundation for future collaborations. It also highlights the JF-17 Block 3's ascending trajectory in the international defense market, setting a new benchmark for Pakistan's defense exports. In a world where geopolitical alignments and military capabilities are in constant flux, this deal stands as a testament to Pakistan's strategic vision and Azerbaijan's ambition to modernize its armed forces. As the dust settles on this landmark agreement, the implications for the global defense market are profound. The JF-17 Block 3's competitive pricing and advanced features position it as an attractive alternative to more expensive Western and Russian models. This deal not only showcases the aircraft's capabilities but also signals Pakistan's arrival as a serious contender in the defense export arena. With an eye on diversification and expanding its footprint, Pakistan's defense industry looks set to challenge the status quo, offering nations around the world a viable route to modernizing their air forces without breaking the bank. As nations continue to navigate the complex web of international relations and military modernization, the Pakistan-Azerbaijan defense deal stands as a beacon of strategic partnership and technological advancement. As the JF-17 Block 3 takes to the skies, it carries with it the aspirations of two nations, keen on writing a new chapter in their storied histories.